Fantasy Newsletter was a major fantasy fanzine founded by Paul C. Allen. The first issue appeared in June 1978, and Allen continued publication October 1981. It was then taken over without a break by Robert A. Collins, director of the International Conference on the Fantastic and the Arts at Florida Atlantic University. At the beginning of 1984, it was combined with Science Fiction and Fantasy Book Review and given a new title, Fantasy Review. At this point, it became a semi-prozine with substantial bookstore sales and provided the widest coverage of science fiction and fantasy books then in existence. Frequent contributors included Fritz, Leiber and Wolfe. It won the Balrog Award and the World Fantasy Award. The magazine folded with issue number 103, July-August 1987, but the review section continued as Science Fiction and Fantasy Book Review Annual well into the 1990s. References: John Clute and Peter Nichols, The Encyclopedia of Science Fiction, St. Martin's Press, 1993, ISBN 0-312-096186.